Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fill out form 8962, right? It's very easy thing to do it, but first of all we need to know that where to get the form 8962. So just go to Google and search form 8962. You will get official link of IRS. Click on this first link here and just scroll a little bit down. You will find this form 8962 PDF. If you want the print version, you can also go for the print version. Let me show you. This is a form. Just give me a second, I will explain you everything. Now here, instruction to form, you can just print it out if you just click on this, right? And here the every information is available, by the way. So now just go here. Now very first thing, before moving further, you need to collect the form 1095 A from your health insurance marketplace exchange, which provide information about your coverage and APTC receipt. The second thing, you have to calculate your household income. As you can see here, the part one here, I will explain the every part. Determine your household income from the year. This include from all sources of all household members. So now let's come to the part one, right? Basically, there are around four parts divided. The first part is annual and monthly contribution amount. As you can read here, the headline information, basically enter information from form 1095A into part 1 to calculate your annual and monthly premium amount, right? Make sure you just note down this correctly. Now complete the part 2, premium tax credit claim and reconciliation of advance payment of premium tax credit. Calculate the premium tax credit are eligible for based on your income and household size. Compute part 3, and the part 3 is here, repayment of excess advance payment of the premium tax credit card. So determine if you need to repay any excess APTC received during the year. The last part, shared policy allocation, rights allocation of policy amount if applicable, only if applicable. Allocate the PTC and APTC among household members who have covered under the same policy. Once everything is done, once I've completed each and everything, as you can see here, there are around 4 allocations. So depending upon that, you can input the information on each allocation. Attach form 8962 to your form 1040 when filing your federal income tax return. This is also an important info here. If you're unaware how to complete the form 8962 or have complete tax situation or complex tax situation, I mean, consider consulting a tax professional because that is really good. The last part is alternative calculation of the year of marriage. Well, if you are married, then you just need to fill up this form. So these are the information from which you can get to know that how you can fill out the form 8962. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.